Hello everyone and welcome back to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making fried bake. Let's get started. In a bowl we are going to put 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons softened butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, and you will need approximately 1 cup of water. I'm going to mix all these ingredients together in a bowl, and now you're going to gradually add your 1 cup of water. So you're going to take your time, you gradually add in 1 cup of water, and you are going to knead this into a soft dough. When you have finished kneading, you're going to form it into a ball, leave it to rise covered for approximately 30 minutes. After your dough has risen for half an hour, you are going to remove it from your bowl and you are going to divide it into 12 pieces. Make those pieces into smooth round balls and leave it again to rise for approximately another 25 minutes. When your dough has risen for 25 minutes, you are now going to take the balls one at a time, about to roll your dough out. Heat approximately 3 cups of oil in a deep pot on your stove. You are now going to roll your dough balls out into a circle approximately 1 inch thick. Now you are going to roll your dough balls out into a flat circle. When you have finished rolling it out into a flat circle, you are going to put it in your hot oil and cook on medium heat. You're going to put your bake in the hot oil. Whilst it is in the pot, you will pour gradually oil on top of your bake so it puffs up. Cook your bake on each side until it is a nice golden brown and it is puffed up in the pot. When it has puffed up and it is a nice golden brown, you remove it from your pot, allow it to drain, and then set it aside to serve.